I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with Jamendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect.
Hey Braddies, welcome back to the Brow House. And it's your girl Shy Brats here. And I'm back with another video, y'all. I've been real consistent lately. I've really been getting videos out every week, and that's my goal, to get a video out every week for y'all. I try to get it on Friday, but it'd be a little hard. But if not, the last day of the week is Sunday. Best believe the video will be out. So I hope y'all been tuning in. I hope y'all watched my past video. Today I filmed a little tutorial on how I got this bun, this slick military bun. I might film another one with like me doing a side part, because I kind of switch it up throughout the week or throughout the weeks. I'll say throughout the month, because you know I don't like to keep the same bun every single day. I like to switch it up. Yes, so sometimes I wear side part, sometimes I wear a middle part, sometimes I don't do my baby hair, sometimes I do my edges. It just all depends. So today I just did a bun straight to the back, and then I tried to do a little bit of edges. And yeah, most of the time I do my hair in the morning now. I don't really do it at night, but my hair does come out better when I do it at night, because I wrap it up and when I wake up it's usually flat. So yeah, that's what I did for this tutorial. Yeah, so let me know if y'all want to see another one of me doing a side part. But yeah, this is the look. I'm gonna explain more in the video, more tips and tricks, because my hair is not really 4C. It's a mixture of 4C 4B. It's just not like, it's not just a one type of texture. Yeah, I don't want to ramble on too long. I just want to make an intro because I do have to leave out. It's like I said, it's early in the morning. And yeah, so this is a legit video of me actually waking up and taking my scarf off and getting dressed for work or whatever, for the Navy, as y'all know. So yeah, if y'all want to see more military videos, this is really like a slick military bun, just let me know, leave it in the comments. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into the video. Sup guys, welcome back to the channel once again. I'm back with another video. Alright, yeah, so this is me fresh out the shower. Y'all see me with the deuces, yeah. Alright, but this is me fresh out the shower. I washed my hair completely and everything, just to prepare for this video. So we're gonna be doing a slick bun of fresh clean hair. As y'all can see, I just took a little bit of, I think that was like leave-in conditioner or no, it was curling definer. Yeah, so I just took a little bit of that. That's something I had in boot camp, and it was pretty, it turns white really fast, so I won't put too much of that. That's why I showed y'all how much I put. And then I took a little bit of oil. That was my friend oil. I really don't normally use this oil that I just showed, but I just have to use it for the time being because I really need to put some oil on my hair. But yes, make sure y'all get some oil your hair up. Right now I'm just doing a lot of moisturizing. Then I take this herbal essence. This is the best, y'all. Oh my god, it basically softens your hair, because I'm about to put like a lot of gel, just a FYI, and this is just gonna soften it in the end. So I really recommend y'all getting that. It's really helpful. But as y'all can see, this is the product I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Got to Be Glued. Going to be applying it to the edges first and everything. Yeah, y'all can see I put a little bit too much right there. But it's all good because it's going to all blend in. It's going to sink in. Remember, this is natural hair, so a lot goes a long way actually for my hair. So if y'all see me putting a lot and keep going back and forth, that's why. I also use Eco Styler gel. This is actually the best gel for African American hair, so I recommend getting it. Yeah, so usually I put the Got to Be Glued first, and then I put the Eco Style over it last, so it won't harden or be hard the next day or whatever, or if you're doing your bun within the same day when it dries. So I do that. And yeah, you're gonna see me going back and forth with it, because I try to put Got to Be Glued last. I mean, Eco Styler gel last, but it doesn't end up like that. That's why I always you're gonna see me in the end spray the gel spray to soften my hair, because I don't want the hair to end up being hard afterwards. So yeah, now I'm just doing this back and forth. I keep my hair in a ponytail just to like form it. As y'all can see, I got out the shower with my hair in a ponytail, and that usually helped me already form the bun, because my hair is really slick, or really easy to slick when it's already forming the bun, and also when it's wet. So that's why I'm doing my hair fresh out the shower. As y'all know, I I just want to let y'all know this, just a FYI. My hair did not used to be like this at all in the past. Like, I really struggled with my hair growing up. It never got this long. Never. I didn't even think I can dye my hair. As y'all can see, my hair is dyed. Like, yes, it's dyed. So the fact that I even made it this far is a plus. So before I ramble on, I just want to, y'all see. Okay, I'm doing the same thing back and forth. Just adding more gel. Once I fully put it in a ponytail, I take this little brush and then I kind of get the edges, slick it a little bit more. I'll probably go back in with some more products again. But yeah, as I was saying, like, my hair it was never like this. I didn't even think I can get a bun like this. Like, really, when I got in high school and I started to take care more of my hair, I did the big chop, and then I think I became natural after. Drinking water and all that, taking vitamins, that stuff really helps. Like, really taking care of yourself really helps. That's really how my hair grew. I did the big chop. Not only I get my hair pressed out every 6 to 8 weeks, and that kind of trained my hair, because when I did do the big chop and my hair did grow, my hair was really thick, so it wouldn't even slick like this. It wouldn't soften or anything. My edges would not lay like this, how it's laying now. So how I got my hair like this was really training it, getting it pressed out every 6 to 8 weeks and getting it trimmed. While I'm getting it pressed out, really helped a lot. So I recommend that. Those are things that was helpful to me. It really helps, is what I'm trying to say. So, take it, leave it. You can do this, and it probably help you if you have really coarse or thick hair. But this is what helped me a lot. And I'm telling you, I came from really strong roots. I started growing my hair out for a reason, because I knew I was joining the military and I knew I was gonna have to wear bonds every day. So I just started my healthcare journey, and ever since then I've had really healthy hair. You see these curls? It might be a little tiny bit heat damage in the back, but I didn't even know I can get curls, y'all. I swear I did it. Like, I didn't have like curls. When I wear my hair, it would just be straight poof. Which is, I'm not saying nothing's wrong with that. I love my hair, I don't care, but I don't really mind. It's just like, to being able to take care of it, maintain it, and actually do something with it has really been a lot. Like, being able to do me a slick bun every day and not have to get my hair done consistently because I don't know how to manage my own hair has been really helpful for me. So I do recommend really taking care of your hair. I'm talking about, it's the way you comb your hair. Start from the roots. Make sure you moisturize it. Keep the moisture. Drink a lot of water. I'm telling you, like, you might think like water. I'm telling you, that stuff all helps. Taking vitamins also soften your hair. That's probably why my hair is a lot more soft and easy to maintain, because I take vitamins. It also grows it, but also, like, it's not as coarse. So yeah. But as y'all can see, now I just braid it into I just do a 2-strand twist and then wrap it up in a bun and secure it. That makes it not like have a messy bun back there. It's really like nice and controlled, because I used to just fold it up and put something around it, but actually twisting and wrapping it actually makes it look secure. And me, I'm all about looking like slick, polished, and ready to go. So that was helpful for me, But yeah, then I just take the scarf. As y'all saw, I did my edges and everything. Take the scarf, tie it around, probably the edges most likely the edges will be messed up in the beginning. It won't be perfect, so I have to go back in. Now right now I'm just being a little extra, because I don't know, I just like to be extra. I just want to put the scarf on because I just like to look cute going to sleep. Yeah, I got the satin on satin. I really didn't have to put the scarf on, and this scarf ended up coming off throughout the night. And I got the satin bonnet if y'all want to throw a bonnet over, but yeah. All right, now it's the next morning. You know, I'm gonna get up, go to work, go to my everyday Navy routine, and you know, I just do me a light little makeup, little blush, and put some little eyebrow gel on, mascara. That's pretty much a lip gloss. And, you know, here's the bun. Did my little swoop edges. Like I said, the side edges and all that will be messed up, but I'm about to touch all that up. The bun is, it looks the same. It don't look as much flat or as flatter, but usually when I do my hair at night and wrap it up and take it off in the morning, my hair be much flatter. Like I said, if y'all want me to film me doing a side part of this video, a side part, because just this specific day, I just felt like doing a bun to the back. And me, I really like doing edges when I do my bun to the back. I really feel like it shapes my face better, so that's why I decided to do that. So yeah, I'm just taking the Eco Styler gel, touching up them edges a little bit more, doing the same thing. Okay, yeah, getting it real good. All right, now this is the finishes touches. It's just a little 360 posing for the camera. You know, feeling myself a little bit, as you should. Yeah, girl. Okay, trying to do a little thumbnail probably, you know. Alright, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want me to see more. Thanks for watching, Bradies. Yes. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.